Guys, this is so crazy. I cannot believe this. It was like almost 70 degrees yesterday. Almost 70 degrees. It even covered the road. Nobody thought it would stick to the road, but it covered it. Completely covered the road. It's blowing. The power is flickering. We are really, really hoping that our power stays on.
It doesn't stay on.
Because that would not be fun, to not be able to have heat and not be able to cook. But like, you can barely see our steps. I was literally out here barefoot yesterday because we were trying to find a light bulb that was out. Dude, it's cold. Okay. Tag sampling the snow from the front and the back.
Oh, so good.
What'd you make? Snow fries.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, so we just went out maybe like 45 minutes ago and Tag got snow and it's completely covered.
And one of the ornaments
But like
fell.
we're on the porch. That's the crazy thing. Yeah, one of the ornaments fell. But we are on the porch and it's still, that's how hard it's blowing in. You can barely even see the townhouses.
Yeah, it's frightening, to be honest.
Oh my gosh, it's like, it really does seem like a blizzard with how much it's blowing. You're waiting so good.
This is gonna be.
She's like, oh wait, what is this?
Huh?
She's stuck. Go in the grass.
I don't think she wants to.
Oh, she's peeing right there. She cannot.
Okay.
Hi, Snow Baby. Whoa, careful, careful. Oh, hey. I measured, and in some places where the snow's blown away, it's like 7 inches, but in others, it's a foot. And it's supposed to snow for about 3 or 4 more hours. It's crazy. What do you think, baby? Cold? Yeah, it's cold. Oh my gosh. Look how much it snowed on her. It like accumulated on the poor baby.
The power was out for days, and we only could cook on the grill. Luckily, we had food to cook on the grill.
Exactly what the disembodied voice said.
And it gets really cold inside. We were stuck without Papa Day.
Okay, so it's like midnight and the power just came back on and we're like so excited.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's lights everywhere. Still snow and we're expecting more snow. This was a nightmare. Oh my gosh, we're so happy. Yeah, we gotta go get more food. And heat. We've been... It's... Oh, actually, no, the Wi-Fi hasn't come back on my phone yet. I actually don't know if we'll be able to watch anything. Oh my gosh, but we have heat, so that's the first step. Yay, heat and food.
Do you have any cell signal?
I don't know.
It's ridiculous that like our roads are so icy.
VDOT has not touched these. Oh my gosh, it's just like it's mounded up in the middle of the road.
Oh my god, that is so cute.
Just broken limbs everywhere. That car was stuck. Oh gosh. Whoa! Dude, you caught a little air. Macy is like freaking out about the kids. He doesn't, she's like, I can't watch all of you at the same time like this. It's okay.
They're just playing.
It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, so we haven't been letting them play outside because like we haven't had power, so getting warm would be a problem. So they're finally able to.
Somebody lost a hat.
Oh yeah. Oh, Lucy was like spinning. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna go down. Sit. Oh my gosh. I really thought you were gonna knock us over like bowling pins. No, backwards. Oh gosh, that makes me nervous.
I keep spinning myself.
I saw you. Oh my gosh.
Your son almost face planted.
I'm tired.
Worth the wait?
Yeah.
Yeah. You were so patient, buddy, and we appreciate that. Ah!
What?
Are you cold, bud?
Yeah.
No?
You said right here.
Whoop, sorry!
Lucy.
Sorry.
She almost like slammed the door on
You don't
me.
need that many.
Record this.
I'm not gonna eat s'mores with
Record
you guys.
this, okay?
I am.
Can you hold me that?
Wow! Aw.
Oh, let's do it again.
Okay, so our power went back off last night.
Yep.
And then after a couple hours came back on. So that was like, how disappointing was that? When it went off, we were like, it wasn't scheduled to come back on again until today, like tonight. But we got lucky and it came back on early. So now we're doing the dreaded Costco run. We actually aren't getting that much, but we got to renew our membership and stuff. And then we're going to try to find something else fun to do. They do. So we got some pajamas, we got a new coat, new gloves, hand and foot warmers in case the power goes out again. I'm always cold anyway, so.
My hands are always cold because
You
I'm just
have dead
dead.
hands. It's
Uh-huh.
true.
Here.
And what?
Huh?
Ta-da!
Guess what?
What?
For Christmas, Miss Karen gave you a gift card for Build-A-Bear.
Really?
So we're gonna build.
Yeah. You want to go make a bear?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, they have a Jawa.
Are you speechless? Are you shocked?
There's a.
Tag, look at this.
It's
They have a Jawa.
They have a Jawa.
I kind of want to get a Jawa.
I know, the Jawa's so
Do
cute.
they have?
That is a cool dinosaur.
I just want to say, this makes me so happy. They actually, their whole display is a
Hufflepuff. Lucy's a Hufflepuff,
Yes.
so she loves that. You don't see that as like the display thing
Anywhere.
very often, yeah.
To give me a nice big jump because that's going to help jumpstart the machine for me. All right. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands in them. Obviously, you're not getting your dino.
The song.
They may have gone extinct, but they still deserve nice ones. All right. And then rub the heart over your heart so your dino is nice and loving and hopefully doesn't, start eating all of your stuff in the middle of the night. And rub it on your head so your dino is nice and smart. Rub it on your cheek so your dino has a big ferocious roar. All right. Rub it on your arms so their tiny arms are nice and strong. All right, and then hold it between your hand and make a nice big wish between you and your dino. And when you're done, you can go ahead and put the heart inside of the dino.
I'm not gonna lie.
Not approve.
I'm not gonna lie, that scares me a little. They have like, we have never been in this mall before, and they have like a giant Claire's. They have like a full operating food court. They have a calendar
With
store.
like food court, like staples.
It feels like we stepped back in time about like 15 years.
I think we
It's
need
crazy.
to eat lunch here.
Yeah, I know. I want to get lunch. Okay, so you'd think we had like never been somewhere before because we're like, oh my gosh, it just keeps going.
Yes.
See guys, we stepped back in time. There's a portal around here.
This is like 1998.
Okay, so we just got up and it definitely snowed a couple more inches. We were really worried that it was potentially like up to 5 more inches. So, phew, the power has stayed on. We're super happy about that. So now we're gonna go get breakfast and then go sledding. Okay, so Tag is super excited to try out his new sled.
Whoa! 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 Get off!
Ah. That seems like...
Oh, holy!
Oh my gosh! Lucy! Did you have to like jump on it?
Yes!
Well, Miss Thing just sat down in my seat. That's hilarious. She's so unbothered.
Mom is gonna get in. Aren't you cold?
Ow! That was big and hard. Oh, that one was big and hard.
Better.
Macy wants a snowball so bad.
Miss.
Ah. Ow, my
Stay
stomach.
there. Stay.
Wait, my gosh.
That's so cute. Oh, like our Halloween ones. Oh, that's
Three
funny.
different ones.
So we are running errands. It's like probably kind of like our last like snow day, even though there's still tons of snow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's our last snow day of this week.
Of this week, yeah. Because tomorrow everything gets back to like a normal schedule, but like 5 days later though, we're expecting like major.
Oh, and there's
snow.
there's a really small chance that we'll get 3 feet of snow.
I don't.
We got over a foot this time, so we just have no idea. So we're trying to like get out of the house a little bit, and Michael's actually gotten Christmas stuff after Christmas because of all the supply issues. So yeah, we're just kind of looking around. Michael's had all of their Christmas stuff on sale, and they had like more that they got in. Tag asked if he could decorate the gym for Christmas, and I love that idea. So that's what we're doing. It's January 9th, and we are putting up, we're putting up more decorations because you know what? It's kind of depressing, just gray winter and snow, but this makes it better.
Snow does not depress me.
No, but when it gets all like gray and slushy and it's too icy to play in and it shuts off our power and it's super cold, not a huge fan of that. Oh my gosh, it looks so great. I love it.
Actually, I have changed a lot. So
What?
We're gonna keep this up all year round.
Oh, that's totally fine. Lucy, what do you think?
I love it.
What's this?
I did the bows on that side.
I did them better though.
Of course he says that.
That's just true.
Well, it looks amazing.
Thank you.
Super festive, Spider-Man. Gosh.
Daddy, Hey, you're ignoring my beautifulness.
Yeah, Daddy, what do you think?
Looks great.
Especially that I'm on here now.
Yeah, like that ornament.
Like little elves hanging on
And
things.
there's lights.
Nah, he's not a little elf. He's a little dwarf.
Hey, let me show you what it looks like from at the top. There we go.
Where's your switch?
So here's that. There's the bows. And there's those bows. And there's those bows and those bows.
What are the bows' names? We gotta name the bows.
Jimothy.
Jimothy?
Jimothy. This is Jimothy.
Jimothy. What about this one?
That's what that blob is. That is what that blob is.
Oh, his name is what that blob
This
is.
bow right here
Yeah.
is what that blob is.
Okay.
And what's this one?
Hat.
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 Alright. Let's come over here now.